Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie, and in this week's video, we're exploring Karlovy Vary, and we're taking you along as we tour both the Moser Glassworks Factory and Becherovka, where we're going to try some bitters. They're kind of gross, but anyway, after that, we're also going to go to the art museum, check out a butterfly house, and walk around town, and we're taking you along with us.
Today we're going on the Glassworks tour at Moser Glassworks. Yesterday we picked up the Karlovy Vary tourist card, so the Glassworks tour is free as part of that card. It is about 9:15 in the morning and we're waiting at the bus stop to ride on over there.
This is the view from the bus stop. These buildings are super cool. If you didn't know, this is one of the major spa towns in Europe. Spas everywhere, and I get to treat myself on the last day of our trip. We're at the outside of the Moser Glassworks, ready for our tour.
Without glass, but just imagine that it looks like this, yeah? If you want to go closer, no problem.
We just took the bus to a different part of Karlovy Vary. We're going to walk around. We're going to take the funicular up to the top of the hill so we can check out a butterfly house. Then we're coming back down so we can go to the art gallery, and we're taking you along. So this is the Grand Hotel Pup. I'm not sure which. I heard both. Anyway, we are staying here for one night at the very end of our trip. It's a spa, and the movie Casino Royale was filmed here. I have a massage lined up because life's rough when you're retired and traveling.
It looks grand.
Garrett just told me he thinks this is actually where what was used as the casino in the movie. We took the funicular up and came to this butterfly house, and it is very warm. They are releasing steam right now. There's a couple of birds in here, and there are tons of butterflies. They are flitting everywhere. They have food out for them. That one looks like he's dead.
No, he's just laying down here.
So we think it's very nice in here. It's very hot, except for these like weird figurines, and you have to watch where you're walking because they like land on the ground and you can easily step on them.
landed on me.
Yeah. There's a couple of big ones. They have other lookouts and other little buildings up here, so it's really nice trails. I like it.
So far so good. As long as the rain holds off, I'll be happy.
Watch your feet.
It's a pretty good hike back into town. So this building, I'm sure it was a hotel and or spa, but it looks abandoned. Except we see a car, so we know it's not. I have to look it up. It looks like a good restoration project. It's a house of wax. I don't think we're going. So we're about to go in this church. Unfortunately, we can't take photos inside. So you'll have to settle for pictures of the outside, and it's gorgeous.
Becherovka. By the way, the name Becherovka in Czech is female. After his father, son Johann took over the family business, the secret recipe and the production. Instead, she sold her liquor factory with the recipe to a big German corporation called Wunderberg. And she did that without telling the secret or revealing the secret of the mixture to her already adult children. So always one or two people in each generation. First, the 7 members of the Becher family that you saw in the museum, and after the Second World War, it's always someone from the management of the liquor factory.
Secret, but we'll gladly share with you a few of the prized ingredients. Around 20 different spices and herbs from across the globe, including cinnamon, clove, hyssop, and yarrow, are used.
I hope you like this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. Check out our Instagram and our blog, slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.